Hi, today I am going to show you 2 easy science experiments part 7. If this is the first time in my channel and want to see more of my experience, start now by clicking the red subscribe button and that small little bell icon so you get notified when I upload videos. Our first experiment is going to be a chopstick through a balloon trick. To make it, you will need a chopstick and a balloon. Now blow the balloon. Tight. Now I have tied it. And when you bring sharp edges to balloon, it pops, right? Like that. See? Now blow your another balloon. Now this time I am going to bring it through here. You know, this part is a little bit thicker than this part. These parts. So when you bring through here, it won't pop. Let me see. See? See? I can put it easily through. Now, next step, you can, here is a thick part and put the other side through this side. See? It's right through. And it didn't even pop. If you do like this, it won't pop. But if you try to do from this side, it will pop. Then I can remove it without breaking. See? Now that was the first experiment. Off to the second experiment. The next experiment is going to be a invisible text experiment. To do this, you need a piece of paper, chopstick, lemon, and a candle. Okay, to start making it, first take your lemon and cut it like that. Now take your chopstick and stick it in. Now write something with that. Write something with your citric acid in your paper. After writing, I will comment. Now I have written a name here. You can see it, right? Now when I heat the paper, you can see it. See, now you can see my name. Hani. Those are all the experiments. Comment down below what you want next. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Click here to watch my last video. Click here to subscribe and thanks for watching.